Hey, yo, lesson here, babe. You come at the king, you best not miss.
What is up, everybody? How you guys doing? It's your boy Mr. Sanchez here, coming at you guys with another pickup video. So I recently was on my YouTube feed, and I was following another YouTuber that I follow, is Scoop 208. Check out his sneaker channel and fashion channel. He's always got a bunch of new looks, new updates on everything that's coming out. He usually gets stuff early. So he told me about, well, he didn't tell me personally, but in the video he told me that he made an order with a clothing company called Reason Brand NYC, and they had everything 50% off from a Black Friday sale. Now this was like last week, but the coupon code still worked. So I checked it out and I saw some of the designs, and since everything was half off, I jumped on it. So not a lot of people have heard of this brand. They're not paying me to say this. I have no connection with them or anything, but I just want to share my experience with you guys, and then, they do good business, so you guys might want to check it out. So, since everything was half off, I actually got this shirt. This shirt was $20. I ended up paying $10 for the shirt. You guys can see, it's got some camo, some splatter, and over here it has the zippers, and it's kind of like cut, you know what I mean? Kind of cut in that new way. So I fuck with that. It was pretty dope. I ended up copping this. Ashtray. Check this ashtray out, man. This shit is fire. It's got like the Medusa skull on it. This ashtray was like $10. And it's a nice little piece for the house. You know what I mean? You can put that in my living room. I don't smoke in my house or anything, but I might throw some change in there, or it's just cool. It's like a Versace Medusa, but with the skull on it. I like that a lot. Next up, we got this bag. This is, I guess, from the same collection. It's like the Medusa skulls or whatnot, and it's just like a regular Ziploc bag. I always carry around a backpack, so you can throw. I'm gonna throw some like cables in there, some power charging stuff. You can throw lighters, anything else like that. It's kind of like a twill material. You probably can't really see it on camera, and this is kind of like ironed on. So I don't know how long it's gonna last. In my bag with time. Dumping and taking it out. But for $5, I'm happy with that. Next, I got these Moto biker shorts. Let's see. It has like that Balmain kind of Moto look to it. They're all black. A little bit of distress right here. They stretch, which is good. I like that because you run in, you can jump a fence, karate kick a bitch in the face. You know what I mean? These I got for, let's see, I got for $15. Free shipping. All together, I got all this stuff for $115 shipped. So that's not bad. All together the total was $230. I ended up paying $115. So I think it was a great value, and as I'm holding the clothes, I have it on. It's high quality clothes. Next up, I got that. It's a No Saint shirt, and this is cut the same way. Like, if you see, this is the sleeve part right here, right? So the sleeve kind of just like rolls off, and like it's not completely finished, which is like the style or whatever. And the back is cut, kind of like this one is, like droopy in the back, cut like that. And the material of the shirt is real nice and soft. All the clothes run true to size. I wasn't really sure what size I should get, because I'm usually I'm like a 2X in normal shirts and stuff. But sometimes things come from China, they come small. So some stuff I ordered in a 3, some I ordered in a 2. This is a 2, and if it's good on me, this was a 3, and the sleeves kind of come down to here, which I don't really like, but it's alright, we're gonna make it work. Alright, this was just a plain pink tee. Kind of like the same deal. The the sleeves aren't really finished, which I like. The back is cut, like I'm telling you, kind of short in the front, droopy in the back. I believe I paid like $10 for this one too. And this is the last piece that I got right here, which is a hoodie. So this is like all embroidered. This was $40 with half off. I paid $20 for this. So you can see that is embroidered there. Yeah, it's got some stars on the sleeves, which are also embroidered. On the other sleeve, we got this USA thing. It says RSN, like reason, but it looks like the basketball Olympic patch. So that's dope. And here across the arm it says worldwide. Can't really tell, but yeah, it says worldwide. I'm gonna throw this on so you guys can get a look. The quality on this hoodie is good, man. Shit. For $20, all day. Okay, so this is the on look of the hoodie. You can see if it's good. Throw that thing on. Quality is nice. I kind of like this bird logo here. Kind of reminds me of the Dipset logo. So it looks like here. You know, everything doesn't have to be Supreme and Bape and Off-White. You know, you can get fly on a budget. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely check them out. ReasonClothing.com. If you guys like the video, let me get a thumbs up. I'm going to keep on coming out with more videos, so please subscribe to my channel if you like it. And that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Peace.